How to add a link to your emails in Brevo. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. It's actually going to be very simple and easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. First you will need to open up your brevo.com, and then obviously you would want to just go ahead and create your campaign or edit one, or just we need a campaign or an email to actually add the link to. So I'm just going to go to campaigns here. And once this opens up, I'm just going to create a new one, create a new campaign, because this is, I don't even remember this. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one. It's going to be email for this video, obviously, because it says so in the title. So we're just going to go ahead and create an email campaign. I'm just going to go ahead and give it the name test camp, and then we can just go ahead and create it. Let's just go ahead and wait for it. And then here, obviously, you're going to be able to add your sender, recipients, subject, and then most importantly here, design. So I'm just going to click on start designing, and then I'm just going to select a template to choose from. I'm just going to use the default one, this one, because, we don't really need a specific template for this. We can just really use any template. Now here, we can just feel free to in order to actually add a link, we basically need a text box. So this would work, or really any text box is going to work, but we really can just go and create a new one, or feel free to highlight an existing one that we already have. So in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one. So we can just go to text here from the blocks section, go ahead and drag and drop it somewhere around here. And once we have our text, we can just go ahead and start typing something else here. So for example, we can just do something like google.com, and then we can just go ahead and do space, click, let me change that, click here to access more information. And then I'm just going to do google.com, for example, obviously. So you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want, really. Just go ahead and add the link that you want. It's not going to be clickable right away, because right now we did not do anything yet. It's just going to be plain text. In order to actually go and make this clickable and a proper link, you will need to go ahead and highlight it. And once you do that, you just want to click on this chain icon here, or the top here. Click on add a link. And then you will need to just go ahead and add the link. So link target, link title is going to be the same. So we can just go for the link target as google.com, and then click on insert. And now it is pretty much clickable, and whoever clicks on it is actually going to be taken to google.com or whichever site that you want. Now, like I said, you can feel free to do it to any text, really. So you can just go to this text, highlight it, and do the same thing really with it, but just clicking on add a link and changing it. And this is pretty much all for this video. So hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.